Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with Essentials. Make a restore point and ensure Windows 10 is updated so changes are reversible. Open Task Manager and end the Explorer process, then use File right arrow run new task right arrow type Explorer. EXE to restart the shell. This often clears UI hangs. Once done, open an elevated PowerShell and run sfc/scano to repair system files. This scans and repairs corrupted system components that can break File Explorer. If it finds issues, make sure you let it complete before moving on. Now tackle deeper causes. Run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health from an elevated PowerShell to repair the component store that SFC relies on. This fixes underlying image corruption. Next, open Folder Options, reset folder views and clear File Explorer history to remove bad settings. If icons or thumbnails are wrong, delete the icon and thumbnail cache files in %localappdata% and then reboot to force rebuild. These steps address corrupted caches, config drift, and broken system components that commonly disrupt Explorer behavior. To finish, verify whether the issue is account-specific by creating a new local administrator account. If Explorer works there, migrate your data and retire the broken profile. If the problem persists, perform an in-place repair using the Windows 10 Media Creation tool to refresh system files without losing apps. Make sure to back up essential data first. If you still see instability, boot into safe mode and run diagnostics. This helps identify third-party shell extensions or drivers. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.